Hello everybody, it is W.T.F Wednesday again here on Shape Fixer, and I am on vacation, which is why you see me in a different place. What I want to talk about this Wednesday is something really weird I heard from somebody arguing why fiber is so important in our diet. And the argument was that fiber is absolutely crucial because it slows down the absorption of sugar. Now, that is true, it does. So when you eat fruit or vegetables, high sugar, high carb fruit and vegetables, the fiber content lines your gut and slows down the rate of absorption because it blocks up part of your gut surface, so you don't absorb the sugar as quickly. Two things. Firstly, that slows down the absorption of everything else too. So fiber does you no favors at all when it comes to absorption of other nutrients and that you need to be getting from your food. So it's not just sugar that gets interfered with. The second thing is, what you're saying is that sugar is bad and that the absorption of sugar should be slowed down or prevented. Therefore, when you eat sugar, make sure you get a lot of fiber with your sugar. Don't eat it. There you go. Don't eat the stuff. What the fiber? If you don't eat the fruit and the sugar, then you don't need to slow down the absorption of the sugar. Fiber is not a nutrient. You don't digest it. You can do nothing with it. You're not supposed to eat fiber. You can eat fiber, but most of it is going straight through you and down the toilet. You don't have a cecum the way a gorilla does. A gorilla has a 4-foot long cecum for fermenting fiber. You have an appendix, which is a tiny little idiot thing that just gets itself infected and you have to have it surgically removed. It doesn't serve any kind of purpose whatsoever. We don't need fiber. This is a lot of nonsense. Oh, we need fiber to keep us regular. No, we are regular because we eat so much fiber, we have to keep getting rid of it. Eating something non-digestible that isn't a nutrient so that you can block the absorption of some other toxin, in this case sugar, that makes no sense to me. Just don't eat the sugar already. We know we don't need sugar. Right, rant over for the week. Thank you very much for listening. Very short one this week because, as I say, I'm on vacation and I'm trying not to be quite so ranty this week. Anyway, there we go. That's done. Please subscribe to the channel. Share this nugget thought. The next time somebody says that fruit is good for you because it has fiber, say, why is that? And they'll say the fiber slows down the absorption of the sugar from the fruit. And you say, well, why would you eat it in the first place? Then you don't get the sugar, you don't need to slow down the absorption, therefore you don't need the fiber. And I'm almost out of breath. All right, there we go, done. See you back around here shortly.